So we're back again. Let us finish this. Let me admit more people, that we can finish this. So now we left from we started with Ogive, or the cumulative frequency graph. So I have shown you how to get the numbers. Okay. So and then it's only what is left is the graph. So the cumulative frequency, like I explained in the previous session, you add the frequencies. Well, the first frequency stay the same. Then for the subsequent one, you add to the next frequency. Like I'm going to show you here in a minute, like we are doing before we are timed out. So now this 5 stay the same. Then add to the next number 8, you get 13, 13 to 6, you get 19, and so on and so forth. You got it. So now we bring them.
We can't see your screen, Professor.
Oh, you can? Okay. We'll go back. Okay, can you see it now?
Yeah, we are seeing your screen. Yeah.
I can see the screen.
Okay, now, so the first frequency stay the same. To get the next one, you add it, say 5 plus 8, so you add to the next frequency, give it 13, and 13 plus 6, give me 19, 19 plus 5, give me 24. So we get all of them. Now, to plot it, the Ogive, you bring down the boundaries here, and you bring down the cumulative frequencies down here. So we are using I think we are using the wrong graph. That's why we are having problem before we are timed out. So again, to draw it, you just go here, go to this insert, then start from here. Oh, excuse me, my mistake. I'll start from here. And then, so we are using this graph here, but we should be using this one. So I'll go on that and choose this. First one, gives to the graph. You can see the numbers are here. And okay. Now we can now format it by putting the axis title. Okay. So last time it was giving us 1, 2, 3, 4, instead of giving us the actual intervals. Now we can put in the titles. Ogive for GPS prices data. So admit more people. Admit and admit. Okay. So now here with the prices. Prices in dollars. Price in dollars. And then the frequency. This time is the cumulative frequency, not frequency. Frequency. So we can then remove these grid lines. So that tells you the cumulative frequency. Now we can now copy this and paste it. And now, how do we use this? If you want to know, these are the frequency, how many GPS? So how many, let's say this price range, how many GPS in this price range? You can just draw a line from here. And draw a line from, let me see. It's not giving me this, so let me paste it in Word. Let me paste it in Word before we can do that. And copy this, and then paste it in Word. Microsoft Word. And also, I think I opened so many windows here. It doesn't, it's not showing. Okay, I can see my Word right here. Okay, I can come here and then paste it. I see the graph. So suppose you want to know how many of them fall in that range, price range, you can, put a broken line Okay. For this price range, make it a broken line. Then from that spot, you can make another line to know how many of them fall in that price range. Make it another broken line. So you can see about 14 of them were sold for that for this price range. So that's how we use this, Ogive. Questions on this? Hello, scholars, any question? So we are all good then. Excellent. Now going back, the other things we need to do tonight before we round up include the bar charts, the stem and leaf plots, and if time permits, the dot plot, and of course the pie chart, if the time permits. Okay. So let us start with the bar chart. Bar chart is just like a histogram, except that in the histogram, can you hear me, class?
Yes.
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 In a histogram, the bars are close together. They are close together. So that's the difference between a histogram and a bar chart. You can see that in a histogram, they are, if I draw it somewhere. Okay, I see. Okay, this histogram was drawn here. Was it here? Yep, see, they are close together. In bar chart, they are separated. Yeah. So we normally use a histogram for data sets that are discrete, So let's see. This question says, the height of some breeds of dogs are shown in this table below. Construct a bar chart to represent this data and explain your results. So for this, I have put them already in Excel. Excuse me. Them in Excel should be somewhere right here. The breeds, different breed of dogs. So all you gotta do is to highlight this, insert and choose any of the chart recommended. See, it's already drawn. Okay, and we can say height of dogs, dog's height. Let me put the as this title, breed, and then the height. Breed of dog and the height in centimeters, height in cm. Okay, and then bar chart for dogs height data. Okay, so that's basically what it is. So from this chart, you can see that the tallest dog is Fox Terrier. The tallest breed are followed by Collie. Then, of course, Chihuahua is the smallest. Questions on this? Any question? Good, excellent, no question. Which brings us to the next thing in line, which is the stem and leaf plot. Stem and leaf plot. In stem and leaf plot, we have instead of plotting the graph, a summary of those data sets, we plot the actual numbers themselves, actual data numbers themselves. So that give us the stem and leaf plot. So in a stem and leaf plot, let me show you how it works. The last digit is always the stem, sorry, the leaf. Okay, let me show you how it works here. In a stem and leaf plot, okay, let's say that they have the numbers are 3 digits each. Where is it? Yeah. let's say for this number, 34, for example, in this case, this is the stem right here. I will have the stem and the leaf. Yeah. So the stem is right here. Excuse me, mistake. This is the stem right here. First digit stem. Then the leaf is this number here. 4. See? 4 is the stem. Now, if there are 3 numbers, okay, 8, 347. In that case, the stem is the highlighted one, and the leaf is the 7. So the stem becomes we have our stem and leaf. Okay, the stem is the highlighted one. See, having the stem. So 7 is the leaf. See? 7 is the leaf. The highlighted one is the stem. So that's how the stem and leaf plot works. Okay. So instead of plotting, summarizing them with a graph, we plot the actual data values to get the stem and leaf. So let's look at an example. Yeah.
Professor, I'm sorry, how did you choose the stem and the leaf? I'm confused.
The stem is the leaf is the last digit.
Oh, okay.
Look at this here. The leaf is last digit here is 7.
Okay.
The stem is always the last digit. Once you figure this, the leaf is the last digit. Like the other numbers on the left side is at the stem.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Welcome. So now look at this one. This equation here. It says, okay, the following are the number of text messages sent last month by the cellular phone users on one floor of a college dormitory. So display this data in a stem and leaf plot. So there are 3 on the 3 of the 3 numbers. There are all 3 digits. Usually the best thing is to arrange them in order and then get your stem and leaf. So, but there are 3, each of them they are all 3 digits. See? So I'll give you an example for it. The first digit is 155, right? For 155, we got 155. So in that case, the stem is, excuse me, mistake. The highlighted part is the stem, and the leaf is the last number, which is 5. Okay. Now, when you put them in order, we have, let's see, stem. I'm gonna use a chart, a quick chart to do this. Okay. Making it more, okay. And then make this one a little bit, the stem should be on that side.
So in that graph that's on the page, so 27 could have been it too. We just not focusing on 27 right now.
Which one is that? Is that?
On the page with the
Oh, this, are you talking about 70? This one?
no, the other one with the leaf on it.
What document?
The one with the leaf on it, with the diagram and the leaf, the actual picture of a leaf.
Oh, the like this one. That means we're going back to here.
Yeah, I was saying 27 could have been it too, right? Or we're just not focusing on 27.
Oh, here 2 is the stem and 7 is the leaf.
Right. Okay. So we're just focusing on 26 in this specific picture. I just wanted to make sure.
Okay, yeah, this the leaf is the last digit.
Okay.
Like here, 26, 6 is the leaf and 2 is the stem.
Right. Okay.
Now, so like usually you better to arrange them in order from the smallest to largest, so that we can make it easy for you to arrange. Because if you don't do that, that means after you get the stem and the leaf, you start rearranging them again That will take you a long time. So let me show you where I put the numbers in. I think it's in Excel. I have it in Excel. Okay. Well, let's see. I have a stem and leaf plus. So I'm going to arrange this in order from the smallest to largest. So it will be easy for us. Okay. To do that in Excel, what you're going to do is to highlight all of them. The same number that you find in that, I'm going to put them in order. Now, you know what? I thought that all of them are 3 digits, but there are 2 numbers that are there that are 2 digits. So let me arrange them. So you go to what you see what you have, sort and filter. Can you see that?
Yes.
Click on that and see sort from smallest to largest. I choose that one. See, it announced sorted. Smallest is 78. Now, with this, it can be easy for you to figure out the stem and leaf. Now, this 78, because everything here are 3 digits. So you're going to write this as 078. So to make it 3 digits. Okay? 078 instead of 78. Now we have the going back to words. You can see the stem here. Then the whole of this are the leaf. Can you see this? Can you see this?
Yes.
Hello? Okay. Now,
Yes.
the first number there is, if you look at the Excel, the first number here, this is 76. So you got you can call it 078. Because everything here in 3 digits. So it's 078. Right? Now, this one is 105. So you can see that this is 078. That means 0. This one is 10. The first 2 digits, which are the stems, 10, 10, 10. Remember, I told you the last digit is the leaf. So you gotta have here 0 here. Then when we look at this, I want to show you another thing that we can observe from that arrangement. So that means you go from 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, all the way to last digit, which is 1, 5. So it goes from 0 to 15. That's what it means. 0 to 15. Because the first 2 digits are the stem. So the first two digits here is 1, 0, which is 10, all the way down. Then the next one is first 2 digits is 11. So it goes to 0 to 15. So in your stem, you're gonna put 0, 1, 2. Actually, make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way down. Now, I'm just going to be good. 8.
All the way down to what? To like 15 or what?
Yeah, 15. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. 9, 10, 11, 12. Hold on, let me see. 0, 1, 2, 3, 0. Oh, my mistake. I made a mistake. My mistake. Not 15. Give me 1 minute. Let me correct this. Okay, correct this. Now, my mistake is, remember the stem here, there are 3 digits. The stem is, the leaf is the last digit, and the stem is it. So now, what confused me was the first number. The first digit to be, remember I said it is 78, so you gotta be 07, not 078, so you gotta be 07. So, or you can just write 7. Then the rest will be 10, 11, 12. So my mistake I made, my mistake. Don't mind me. So we got 07. Okay. Got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yep. So the first number is 78. this 78, I mean 0.78, so 78. So we have it here as 78. Now the next number is in the chart, in the order is 105. 105. So you go there and put, you can see 105, followed by our next number, which is as you can see from here, 108. I mean, okay. You go there and put 108. So 108. The next number will be, as you can see from here, is 109. And why there are three of them. There are three and 109. 1, 2, 3. They are all 109. So you're gonna have 109 3 times. So we have 109 and then 109 again, and then 109. So next number will be 112. So you go and add it here. You have 112. Okay. Another number will be 112. There are more, two more. 1, 2. Then you get 113 and 114. So you have two more 112, then 113 and 114. So you have 112, another 112, then 113. We get it, and 114. So following this method, this a method, you can, we put it all of them together. What you will have in the end will look like this here. See, like this. See, you can see the stem. You can see 105, 108, 109, and that is exactly what we have here, 5, 8, 9, 9. So don't I didn't put, I have to put 07, 08 have to be here, even though it wasn't shown on the example. We have to put 8. Omission. Then 09, 09. Even though it wasn't, is this 08, 09? So we're gonna put 09 right there. Yeah. So you can have, these are not given, but you have to put it so that you can see the actual shape of that data set. So then, when you read the numbers, they have to be consecutive: 07, 08, 09, then 10, 11, 12, 13, continue like that. So when you finish everything, put all these data sets in to form something like this. This one means 159, 155, 159, you know. So that's the system on leaf plot. When you look at this system on leaf plot, you can see that from this display, you can conclude that more than 50% of the phone users sent between 1110, which is this is 119. Sorry, my mistake. 1110 should be here. 1112, 113, but it's gonna be between 1110, which because this one is 109. So between approximately 110 to 130, which is right from 130 here, you have most of them, more than 50% of them. So between these sections, you can see that this 130, most of them send between 110 and 130 text messages. Now, when we do shape of distribution, I will show you that you can see that this is skewed to the right side, and it has an outlier, which is 78. We'll do that when we do the shape of distribution. Any question on this one? I can explain more. Any question on this?
Professor.
Yeah.
Like, what kind of data can we use this to analyze?
You can use for any data set, so long as they are collected on different days. Like this one explains, like this, it says, the following a number of text messages sent last month by the cellular phone users on the floor of a college dormitory. So in this date, they sent total of 155 messages. The second day, they send 157 messages, 159 messages, and so on. So you can use it for any, the same that way you can use histogram. That's the same way, because if you look at this, if you turn it counterclockwise, you can see that this represents the height of a histogram. Only that here we're using the actual numbers. Okay.
So okay, interpreting this now, how would you interpret it?
Many ways you can use, many ways. You can see that, like I said here, you can see that majority of the students or cell phone users send between 105 to 148 text messages during that month. See, from here, 105 to 150 to 148, because that's where most of them are concentrated.
Okay.
That month.
Yeah. And we can say the highest messages sent 159.
Yeah, they send most of them sent approximately most students, majority of them send between around 129 actual 129 text messages that month. The highest number of text messages sent that month will be 129 for each in a particular day. A particular day is 129 text messages, but majority of them send between 105 to 148 text messages.
159.
Huh?
We have 159.
Yeah, but you start from the lowest now. 105.
The last one here is 159. That's what I'm saying. On the last,
but we're talking about where they have majority of them.
Okay.
Where they are concentrated.
Okay.
So the maximum number of text messages sent is 159, sure, but majority of them sent between this concentrate at the middle here.
Okay.
Now, if you turn this counterclockwise, we are talking about the shape of the distribution. You can see that it is skewed here, but we haven't done that yet. So don't worry about the shape of the distribution yet. And that you have an outlier here, which is 8. Okay. Now, any other question before we move on to the next thing? Excellent. So next one is dot plot. Now, dot plots, in a dot plot, each data entry is plotted using a point above the horizontal axis. For example, here you have 21. You can see 21. You plotted 21. The next one is 25. There are two 25s here. So plot 25 on top of that one, another 25. And there's 126 plus 20, plus it on top of 26. So, for example, it says here, use a dot plot to organize the text messaging data. Okay, you can give you the data here. You can see the dot plots right here. For example, 155. How many 155 do we have? Let's look at that where we organize it, the data from smallest to largest. 155. Do you have 155? Only one of them, right? So you can see the dots on top of 155 right here. Now, for a number like 125, if you look at our arrangement here, where we arranged it, 155, 125, I mean to say, you have, actually it's 126, have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So we go there under 126, you have 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. So that's how you plot it. So from this dot plot, you can see that most of them are concentrated in the middle here. I will have 10 minutes left now. So Now, from the dot plot, you can see that most values cluster between 105 and the 148. They cluster around this place. Okay, and 78 is standing alone. Is an outlier. Okay, it's an unusual data value, not usual. So, given the time we have now, we don't have much time, so we're gonna round up. Tomorrow we'll begin with pie chart. Sorry, yeah, pie charts and finish this so that we can go to data description. Okay. Now I'm going to take your attendance and we can leave. Okay. Now let's see. My paper. Get your attendance with. I got attendance. Oh, Abimbola, I got Abimbola here.
Present, Professor.
Please, when I call you, you can leave. Yeah?
Okay, thank you.
You can have Olubisi. Olubisi, is she there? Okay. That's a new name. Olubisi Adejere. Okay. Now, Angelique, you there? Angelique?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, you can leave now. When I call you, you can leave. I see you tomorrow. Brandy, dear?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, have a nice night.
Thank you too.
Okay. Baby Shola.
Yeah.
Have a nice night. I'll see you tomorrow. Halimat.
I'm here.
All right, good night. This thing's not arranged. Okay, I got Ramos, are you there?
Yes.
Yes,
So-
I'm here. Ramota Abati.
Okay,
Yeah, then I noticed, Professor. Yes, I noticed you marked me absent yesterday.
Ramos?
Ramota, Ramota.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, you marked me absent yesterday.
So I'm gonna update it then.
All right, thank you.
Okay, so see you tomorrow. Now, Ramos, you still there?
Yes, I'm there.
Okay, I'm looking for your name.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I see it. I see it now. Got it. So have a good night.
Yes, I said you marked me absent yesterday.
I thought it was Ramota that I marked absent.
No, that's my name.
Ramos Heidi, right?
Yeah,
No.
Haiti. That's my first name, Haiti.
Ramota, I'll update your attendance. So nothing to worry about it.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Now we have Brown. Is Brown you there?
Yes, I'm here.
So, I see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Lovelace, you here?
Yes, I'm here, Professor.
All right, Miss Lovelace, I see you tomorrow, okay?
Okay, have a good evening, sir.
Lizzie,
Yes, Professor, I'm here.
see you tomorrow. Olubisi. Olubisi, you there?
Can somebody remove my phone this?
Yeah, Olubisi, okay, I checked it already. Now, Mama, Adenike, Mama, you there?
Yes, I'm here, Professor.
See you tomorrow.
Good night, sir.
Good night. Who is this Naina? Okay, Naina Harris. Miss Harris, you there?
Yes, I'm here.
See you tomorrow. Rossell, you there? Rossell,
I'm here.
see you tomorrow then. Fumilayo,
Fumilayo is here. Fumilayo Bello.
I'll see you tomorrow. When I call you, please, you can leave when after I call you. Castillo, Sarah. Castillo.
Yes,
You there?
Here I am.
So see you tomorrow then.
See
Shanine.
you.
Shanine. Sorry about that, Miss Shanine. Graves.
I'm here, Professor.
See you tomorrow. Sarah.
I'm here.
Sarah, I see you tomorrow, okay?
All right, good night.
Good night. Tevonda. Oh, I called you already. Tevonda.
I'm here.
All right, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
And then who else? I'm about to leave here. Nobody else? I called Olubusi already. And Olubusi.
I had a question.
Yeah, go ahead. Ask. Time is almost up. Mr.
It's quick. For the exams, are we allowed to use Excel or no?
Yeah, you can use Excel to do your work, then put your answer in.
Okay, but on the syllabus, it says we're gonna have to use a respondents lockdown. And when you use that, it doesn't let me, it
Are you
won't
talking
let
about
you
final
open
exam?
it.
Are
Huh?
you talking about the final exam?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, why? Yes, responders. I might use the responders. Responders lockdown browser. Yeah. Why? Why do you ask? I might. I'm not sure yet. I might use it. I may not.
I mean, I used it before, and when you use it, you're not allowed to open up anything else. So if we can't use Excel, how does that work?
Yeah, that means I may not use it. So
Okay.
nothing to worry about. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Miss Ramos, do you have a question for me too?
No, that was me.
Oh, that was okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
bye.
Olubisi, do you have a question for me? Time is almost up. Mr. Olubisi. All right. Miss Shanine, I see you tomorrow, okay? And you have a good night.